Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to plug your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds to your device using the dongle. So actually it doesn't really matter if it's an iPhone, Android, some other Nokia Lumia. Maybe not Nokia Lumia won't work, but some other devices. The most important thing is that your device should have either USB Type-C or USB Type-A. It's because this is the only thing that is important here. So, for example, let's assume that I want to plug my earbuds to my iPhone. So, here we do have this dongle, and we just have to plug this dongle to my phone. And this is actually everything that we have to do. Accessory connected, unlock iPhone to use accessories. That's it. On your iPhone, on your Android phone, it works actually the same. If you, for example, want to plug your earbuds to PC, you have to just do a combination of plugging this USB Type-C to USB Type-C to USB Type-A converter and plug this into your PC. That's it. And as I said, that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.